Happy holidays. Today we are going to be doing our makeup holiday themed. Get the boldest red you have and just put it on your eyelid. Now with a very fine brush, we're going to find the darkest green that we have. And we are going to do an eyeliner effect. We are also going to be doing this. Still using an angled brush, I'm going to go in with a lighter green here. There we go. And now we're going to do it to the other side. There we are. Both sides are done. We're going to add a little bit of sparkle right in the corner of our eyes. I'm doing a little bit of a green. And give it an ombre-ish effect. Then I'm going to use an actual brush and bring that up over this way. Now we're going to put a little bit of sparkle on the red. Perfect. Now it's time for mascara. So this is it. This is the final look. I just added some blush and some Dragon Girl NARS lipstick. It is wonderful. My favorite for the holidays. Let me know what you think of this look. Thanks so much for watching.